Welcome to our channel. If you received a KeyBank Payroll card and need to activate it online, follow these simple steps to access your payroll funds quickly and securely. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the KeyBank Payroll Card Activation website. The URL should be provided in your welcome packet or on a sticker with your card. Step 2. Click on Activate Card or New User Registration on the homepage. You'll be directed to the card activation page where you'll begin the setup process. Step 3. Enter your 16-digit KeyBank payroll card number in the designated field. This number is located on the front of your card. Make sure to type all digits accurately. Step 4. Provide the 3-digit CVV security code found on the back of your card, usually in the signature panel area. This adds an extra layer of security to your activation. Step 5. Enter your personal information as requested, including your date of birth, social security number, and contact information for verification purposes. This confirms your identity as the cardholder. Step 6. Create a username and password for your online account. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Step 7. Set up security questions and answers that you'll use for account recovery if you forget your login credentials. Choose questions with answers only you would know. Step 8. Review the terms and conditions, then submit your activation request. You should receive immediate confirmation that your KeyBank payroll card is now active and ready to use. Check your card balance and transaction history to ensure everything is set up correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.